What's up, everyone? I picked up this luxury rainfall shower system and wanted to do an unboxing for you. So let's open it up, see what's inside. All right. So it comes nicely packaged. Everything looks great, very well padded. Comes with your instruction manual. So this is the 10-inch rainfall shower head right here. This thing is really nice. Look at that. This nice little rubber plugs on there. That'd give you a great shower experience. This does connect to any 1/2-inch standard pipe system. All right, that's the shower head. Let's see what else it comes with here. So this is going to be where your water supply goes in. Really nice, cold and hot there. Then your mixed water is going to come out right here. This thing's really heavy duty, really well made. So that's a nice extender for the shower head. It's going to attach just like this and be able to hang from the wall. Just have a little faceplate there for the shower. It does come with a handheld sprayer as well. This is really nice. Has the tubing for it right here. Some more connection parts here. You can see this nice faceplate here for the hot and cold water. This knob's going to attach right in here. Be able to move that around up and down. And then this one, you're going to be able to rotate from your shower head to your handheld shower mode. That'll be really nice. It does come with some Teflon tape and some hardware. It's just going to be great hanging off there, the water flowing out. And when you want to switch it over to the handheld shower mode, just to get all those hard to reach spots. Wow, this is really nice. This would also be great if you're showering your kids or you have pets and you need to clean them off. This would be a great thing to have in your shower. Just a overall great quality rainfall shower system. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.